For this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change your account name in Steam, or we are going to know if can you really change your account name in Steam. So first, what you need to do is to open Steam in your device, either as a web or as an app. So as you can see here on my screen, I am using Steam as a web, but don't worry because the process is still the same. So the first thing that you need to do is to click onto your username situated on the upper part of your screen and hit view my profile from the drop down menu. So now once you are in here, you just need to click on to this edit profile button right here, and then you'll be able to see your profile. So you have your profile name, your real name, and then your custom your so now you can actually change your account name because that is kind of like your identification. So that is the name that you have registered in Steam with. But what you can do is to edit or change your profile name. So this is like or this is like your display name. So that is the only option that you have right here. And you can also change your real name if you want to, and as well as your custom your. So now if you really want to change or try and change your account name, you can reach out to the help support of Steam, but I am pretty much sure that you cannot really change your account name even if you are going to get a help from the staff of Steam. So that's basically it. Now, once you have or typed in your new username, what you need to do is to go into the very bottom and make sure to hit the save button for the changes to be applied into your account. So that's basically it. That is all for this video. I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.